I've spent almost 4 years on TikTok, y'all. And guess what? Lots of life hacks. So let's just look at them. Because guess what I do every day? Post life hacks. Normal people plug in to the wall. What do life hackers do? Holy crap. That is incredible. Use the cord to hang them. You know, one of the most annoying things about charging your phone on the wall is not having a place to put your phone. Guess what? You can just use the cord. I didn't know that until I was in my 30s, literally right now. Now, here's my only problem with this life hack video is that as a creative note, as a life hack professional, I think it's important to realize when there can be a creative sort of like betterment of the content. That's the word, betterment. This table is right underneath. What you need to show is if you don't have a table. Now, I hope that the phone stays balanced, because if it doesn't, it falls. Let's see what else we got here. Normal people put the mask in their pocket. What do life hackers do? Life hacker. Put it over their shoulder. Put it over their elbow. I mean, I don't really think that this was actually helpful. Now, this is more of like a reusable mask. So I would actually say that it might be better to put it over your shoulder if you're like just going inside and outside really quick to like pick up an order. But if you're just going to be like if you just don't need it for a while, I don't really think that you need to put it around your elbow. I don't really think that's a life hack. I think that's more of like a comfort thing. If you're more comfortable holding it around your shoulder, around your elbow. Why do I keep calling this my shoulder? If you're more comfortable around your, yeah, exactly. If you're doing that way, might as well put it on your wrist. Exactly. You might as well just put it on your wrist. Why does it have to go all the way up to the elbow? Right? Exactly. So this isn't really a life hack, is what I'm saying. This isn't really a life hack. It's more of like a, which one do you prefer? Normal people type life hacker. That's right. Oh God, when I found this out, this life hack right now is basically you type, and then you go back to the words. But if you press and hold on the space bar, this is for iPhone users, so iOS users. If you press and hold on the space bar, you can just move around the text easily. So it's way easier. And let me tell you, when I found this out, I was aghast. I was appalled. I was angry. Because for years, I have been pressing delete. And guess what? Didn't have to. Didn't freaking have to. Top secret arcade hacks. Use magnets to get what you want. That actually looks like a pretty great life hack. Can't get that. Oh, got the money though. That's pretty cool. Whoa. Okay, so step one in this problem. How are they getting all that stuff in there? Clearly, they got it into the arcade guy. All right. This person works for the arcade company, because you know what? There's absolutely no way that all of that stuff would consistently get in there unless you worked for the arcade. Prize bag. Now that just looks like you're just good at this game. Yeah, hang on. Okay, so let's just break this down for a second. First of all, if you don't know, now you do know. Electromagnets in headphones are wild. And this actually, I feel like this one would maybe work. But then the second one, okay, how did you get the money in there? I think this is an inside job. Watch for this transition. Watch from the transition. Look at that. That transition is where they get you. And we're not going to get got here on this channel. You know why we don't get got? Because I've been doing life hacks for 2 years. I know And if you watch these live streams every week at 10 a.m. on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitch, then you will not get got. We will find these life hacks and say, I'm not going to get got. This is actually interesting. This is actually going back to the life hack that we just did, which was electromagnets. Inside every pair of headphones is a tiny electromagnet. That's how headphones work, which is crazy because nobody told me that until I was in my 30s. Actually, nobody told me that. Keep going. Get it up there. There we go. See? Perfect. Instead of using a basket, the stand provided to help you shop. What? What do I not know about Target? I don't agree with this. This is not a life hack. This is not a life hack. This is what we call selfishness. Not a life hack. Nope. No. No, don't do this. No, don't do this. No, don't do this. If you do this, you're selfish. No, don't do that. All right, everyone. So we're back to the not getting got game, everyone. We're not going to get got here on sidneyraz. No, thank you. What we are going to do is respect the employees of Target and the other people that are just trying to put away their baskets. So don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do that. Not a life hack, just a selfish act. Ding. Next, what do we have? We have break an apple in half. This one actually does work. It's pretty wild. And I don't know. I think that, like, in general, I think it should be more well known that you can break an apple in half pretty easily. Basically, you take the apple like here and you apply the right amount of pressure in the middle, and then you just kind of break it apart. You'll see like big people with lots more muscles doing it, but this guy this guy is pretty, he's not Arnold Schwarzenegger, and he did it. So that means you can too. And I've done it. It actually just is a lot harder than you think. Okay, can we just talk about something really quick? We got to talk about the levels of reaction that's happening right now. We got life hack number 1 happening, right? We got life hack number 1 happening of the person doing it. And then we got a person reacting to it via green screen. And then in front of that person, we got a person reacting to it. And then now, here on sidneyraz, I am reacting to it. That is not 1, not 2, not even 3 people attempting and doing something. That's 4 people reacting to this thing. What does that say about society? What does that say about 4 levels of reaction? 4. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Perfect Spanish. 4 levels of reaction. Christopher Nolan, take note. Deeper and deeper and deeper into the reaction. We are living in a parody of society. This one works too. I've done this one. I've actually done this one too. It's oil around the brush of the pot, stops it from boiling over. I think it has to do something with like the hydrophobic nature of the oil. Let's go. Let's keep going. Put the oil around the brush. Yep. Classic. Boil some water. Oh, now this is like a real man of genius over here. Bud Light commercial. He takes the peanut butter on a knife, and then he just gets his 2 Ritz crackers and just eats it. Look at this. Look at this guy. What a guy. What a guy. All right, let's react to this reaction. That looks like almond butter, by the way. Shout out almond butter. It's delicious. Yep. Look at that. Look how happy she is. It works.
Here's a life hack the McDonald's companies don't want you to know.
What is it?
If you pour more soda into the top of that lid before you put it on, you get more bang for your buck. Look at all that extra soda that will
it's a joke.
Go into your drink at the end of the...
Y'all, I said we weren't going to get got. I got got. It wasn't a life hack. All right? It was just a funny little thing. Yep. This is an interesting one. So this is a lie. This one is just straight up a lie. That one has been going around. Okay, so these McDonald's life hacks have been going around for a while, and they're lies. This is a lie. This is a lie. That is a lie. Sonic 2, not in theaters. That one actually looks pretty cool. Now, I haven't had a Happy Meal in a really long time, but if that's true, and you could have just... I could have had a tray the whole time when I was a child enjoying my Happy Meals. I would be sad. So, once again, this is a lie. That's a lie. Liar. Liar, pants on fire. But this one, I cannot confirm. So, I don't know if he's a liar, liar, pants on fire. As a guy that watches life hacks and does life hacks all the time to see if they're real or not real, this one looks pretty real. So, it's 1 out of 3, 1/3. That's an F. F. What? Whoa, that's cool. I don't know why you would want to make a little sand donut, but that's pretty cool. Look at that. Look at that little sand cronut. That's pretty cool. A little fun. That's some fun. All right. What is it supposed to help with life anyway? Top comments on this beach life hack. I love it when people are just like, this is not a life hack. This is just a thing you can do. What? Wait a second. What is this? What is this? Is this a puppy? No. Oh, that's a hand. What the hell? I thought that was a cute little puppy dog, y'all. Not a puppy dog. That's a human hand. I think, okay, so here's what happened. This person had a beautiful jade bracelet that they wanted to wear for their fancy event. They put on the jade bracelet, and then maybe they ate a little bit too many salty things. Their wrist got bloated. Been there, right? Now the pretty jade bracelet that's on their wrist is stuck. Oh no, can't get the jade bracelet off. What are we going to do? Well, obviously, you're going to take a balloon and a sock and some soap. Really, you're going to take the sock first, and then you're going to put the balloon over that, and then you're going to lather it up with soap, and you're going to pull that off, and it's all going to come off. Guess what? You could just do that with soap. Soap is a great way to get pretty bracelets off. All right. So I just want to shout out this person for wearing that pretty bracelet, taking the time for themselves to make themselves feel cute, because that looks like a great accessory to your outfit. I'm sure it was a great event as well. And I think that we should all appreciate that. Oh, 5-minute mother. 5-minute crafts, y'all. Snuck in again. 5-minute craft snuck in again. Okay, so actually, I was going to film. I bet I know what this one is. She's going to stick her thumb through the hole. Ready? Ready? Stick your thumb through the hole. Thumb through the hole. There's a lot of explaining happening. One of the things I take pride in about my content is I don't explain too much. I let the action do it. Ready? 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 Come on. Come on. I'm going to just... There's a 31-second video, and I've been waiting for it. Thumb. Boom, baby. Thumb in the tape. Ready? Thumb in the tape, baby. Hold it. Hold it. Take it out. Take it out. That's a good life hack. Thank you for watching. I have a podcast that comes out tomorrow. Thursdays, Explain Like I'm 30 podcast, every single Thursdays at 8 a.m. If you want to show support for the Patreon, Patreon's over there, Explain Like I'm 30 Patreon. We upload to YouTube every single day. Live stream once a week on Wednesdays, 10 a.m. Pacific to 12 p.m. Pacific. And then on Thursdays, we got that podcast like I talked about. Fridays, we have a cut down. Saturdays, we have shorts and cut downs. Mondays, we have FYP reactions where I show you my For You page, which is fun. And then on Tuesdays, we got an hour-long cut down of the live stream from the previous week. So we got content all the time on YouTube. Subscribe to YouTube. for giveaways. Subscribe to YouTube to show some support because I love it so much. You are very welcome, Shireen Higgs, for the tips. Talk soon, everybody. Bye.